What's up, my people? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to spice up our posho. It is really a simple recipe, that will make us love the posho every time. Let's go. So what we need is maize flour, salt, and the powdered spices, and the vegetable spices. So after putting the saucepan on the charcoal or on the gas cooker, any heating place you get, you put in some oil. So when the oil is ready, so we're going to put in our vegetable spices, onions, followed by green pepper, followed by tomatoes, and followed by carrots, spiced grated carrots. Yes. So you stir up and leave the tomatoes to get heated by the cooking oil. Yes. So you leave it for some time. As you can see, the tomatoes are cooked by the cooking oil until they become soft. Okay. So you can see, yes. So after, we're going to add in some salt, enough salt, because remember when if you're spicing up the posho, you add in some salt to the tomatoes, to give the posho some taste, because if you cannot make the posho or mingle the posho with tomatoes and without salt, like seriously. So afterwards, we're going to add in our powdered spices, and we're going to stir up the tomatoes until the powdered spices mix up with the tomatoes. Yes. So you guys, I forgot to tell, my name is Denise, still on the channel, as in seriously. So afterwards, you're going to add in enough water until it boils. Okay, you cover it up so that it can boil at a higher speed, and you see it's ready. So after the water is ready, there is some serious business to be done. As you can see, we are going to add in our maize flour, and we are going to begin mingling the flour so that it becomes firm to make up the spiced posho that I was talking about. So it's a bit a hard process. If you had heard my sound, I was all breathing hardly because this was a hard process of mingling this posho, because it was 2 kilograms. So because it was for the whole family, and it wasn't easy, not at all. It's not easy, but if you love what you're doing, you have to fight for it. Of course, you have to work for it. So I had to mingle this thing, like seriously. As you can see, slowly you give it time until this whitish stuff disappear. If they fail to disappear, add in some little bit of water, but for me, surprisingly, the water was enough, and it worked out well. So you do it slowly but sure, with some power, of course. So this is my result of this posho. As you can see, our posho is ready. So you guys, you can serve it with some greens. Yes, you can serve it with some greens, and it comes up really fabulous. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, and also click on the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, you guys. Thank you for supporting me. Thanks for loving me. All my subscribers, may God bless you for real. And those who watch my videos, may God bless you too, because you mean a lot to me. So you see the grains of the posho. This is really looking nice and delicious and fabulous still. Okay, you guys, this is all I had for you today. See you in my next video. Bye for now. May God bless you.